Hello everyone and welcome to My Paradise Planner Travel. We're going to be doing an unboxing. Today's unboxing is from Central Holidays. Here's how it works. I've got this box here. It's got a lot of brochures. You are not sure where you're going to travel. So the box is going to tell us. Central Holidays since 1972. They are introducing tours in Italy, in Egypt, and in the Mediterranean. 12 days in Egypt, navigating the Nile. 12 days from $3,399. How about the pyramids? Everybody likes the pyramids, right? You always said to yourself, I want to go to the pyramids, but I don't know, it's a lot, I gotta figure it out. That's why you get a travel agent, you contact me, we'll figure it out. But, just to give you an idea, 11 days, pyramids, pharaohs, and paradise from $1,549. See ancient history. For real, not a photo, not a history book, this is something that you can actually go see and visit. For $1,500, I think that's a great deal. But okay, so we got Egypt. To give you an idea of a couple of different things. Mediterranean. What will this cost? Well, the infamous Mykonos and the Aegean Sea. 11 days. 11 days. 11 days from $1,908. In this particular tour, you're visiting Athens, you're cruising to Mykonos. Ooh, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Wonder what that could be. Let's look at something else, right? Ooh, let's try this. Let's try like the Greco-Roman Empire. Rome, Athens, and the Aegean Isles. So this is a fantastic itinerary if you want to do that Europe romantic sail kind of concept, if that makes any sense. Greco-Roman. Anyway, so you're looking at Rome, Greece, and Athens. Gorgeous, gorgeous itinerary. Wow. I mean, you're looking at churches, windmills, again, ancient wonders of the ancient world. 10 days, $1,761. It's $2,929 if you want to go to France. How about Malta and Spain? Costa del Sol, 6 days, $3,831. Photos don't do some of these justice. And then of course we've got a whole section of just Italia. Best of Italy from $2,200. Natural Beauties of Sardinia, 7 days from $2,300. Jewels of the Amalfi Coast, 7 days, $2,300. Colors and Flavors of Naples, $3,200, 7 days. And just to give you an idea, because you're like, alright, wait a minute, what's it include? What's it include? Okay, hold on. So included features. Deluxe class hotel accommodations for 6 nights. 10 included meals. Consisting of, and by the way, this is a 7-day. So consisting of 6 buffet breakfasts, 1 lunch after cooking class, 1 lunch after cooking class, 1 lunch after cooking class, and 1 dinner at a private home. So a lot of tours do that, and I'll do a video later on about the dining at the private home or the experiencing of a private home. Because it's the tourism industry's attempt to get a little bit more local with clients. Sightseeing is included. Tours of Naples included by Vespa, coffee and cake stop, a visit of a local market, hands-on cooking class, wine tasting, full day tour, artisanal shops, pottery class visits, and street food tastings, hands-on pasta making class. The budgets are fantastic. Let's grab 2019 by the horns. My name is Robert. I'm with My Paradise Planner. If you would like to book your next trip with me, please click the link below. Or you can feel free to email me, robert@myparadiseplanner.com, for free, award-winning travel planning assistance. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like. Have a good day.